because we are taking this trade by and use the early entry at this point. We're taking this to this side here, this TP here. You can see it's not real. Welcome everybody to Kingmaker FX. Now we are going over a trade that I took on VIX10. You saw the trade earlier on the first video before I start speaking. Now, this VIX10 we take a trade here using a confirmatory entry because market was disrespected. Now look at this other block here. Market came into it disrespected. It's like you can see this other block here. This one here was all disrespected. So once the way the market was coming down on high momentum, the only way we can trade this thing is using a what confirmatory entry. Now, many of you might take trade there, and keep making losses and be surprised. How will I take it? This other block is too high. It's not working. No. Wait for what confirmatory entry I'm about to show you. So, market pulling to this other block here. We didn't take a trade immediately. We wait for what confirmatory entry. So, I went to the M15 time frame. Now, M15 time frame. Now, we keep marking our previous high that caused the low. Now, we mark this high. Now, as this high was taken out, there was what first? A change of character. Now, this momentum was high. It took out some previous high here, this high, and this high here. So what did I do? I first took an entry here to clear this high, but that's not the trade I'm telling you about. I'm telling you a more better confirmation. This is a risky entry, but due to experience, I took a trade there but that's not the trade I'm talking about here. Let's go to the main trade here. Now, after market took out this high, it retraced back into the range again, clear this high. Now you have a what? A BMS. Change of character. First, now a BMS inside your POI, inside the order block. This is how we take confirmatory entry. What do? We drew our order block here, or demand zone. Or demand zone here. Just drew it out. So this was the last candle that took out this high here. Simple. What do we wait for? Change of character. You give us all BMS, return, another BMS, and return to the other block. You take the trade. Now, where am I taking my TP? I took my TP around the side because I know market is going to go to the upside very well, but I know market will come here and retrace and give me another space for re-entry. Now, I took my TP. You can see the trade on a real account. Took the real account from this side. You took it gently. I took my TP here, where I put my distance here. The market retraced for a deep retracement and a pullback. But let me show you the potential pullback, which I missed actually. I was busy. I was not looking at charts. Now, go to the H4 time frame. Let me zoom in. Okay, you can see this was the last order block that caused the break, or your demand zone, anything you call it, I don't care. That caused the break of this high here. This high here. So this last demand zone. Now, you can just put your this in here, your buy limits, your stop loss below for let me see the pips, over 24 pips, which is very, very large, very, very large. And if it go against you, I might even take time, might go against you, won't like it. So we just went to the 5-minute time frame because we're expecting more upside. Actually, I missed this entry, but I will tell you what I could have done if I was on my screen because it was on Saturday. I was very busy and I just came from night vigil, actually from a vigil. So what you do, you mark your high. Market is inside your H4 order block. You mark your high that cause a low. Just keep marking your highs that cause a low. Because different highs here that cause a low. Now, what do we wait for? A change of character. Now, what we were expecting here was market to pull into this high and continue the downtrend. But what the market did here, it came out, break it, pull back. What do you have here? A change of character. A change of what character? After a change of character, market came into this range here. There was a BMS, a break of market structure. Went up. Now you don't panic and start placing buy. Calm down. You wait for return. Where was the last candle or the last zone that caused that push to the upside for the BMS? Just this point here. You mark it out. You can see your stop loss is now smaller. Let me see. Let me check your stop loss now. 7 pip stop loss. But I advise you put your stop loss below the low here. 7 pip stop loss. 10 pip stop loss. Now where be your TP will be? This side here. Let me zoom out. This high here is your TP. This high here. That high is your TP. Now, the beauty of this strategy is that look at your stop loss. If you have a $20 account now, $10 stop loss, you can use the 0.4 loss size, which is $4 loss to make what? Let's see what you make. Let's see what you make now. $29 made. Your account is double without blowing anything. If you have a $100 account, let me see $100 account, you can use your 0.5 loss size. $5 loss to make what? $35. You made what? $35 made. $35 made. Just made simply without blowing your account. This is the easiest way to trade. So if you are interested in mentorship, I'm free for mentorship. My mentorship is very affordable. If you're interested for Signal, you can DM me for Signal. And my strategy is that you can never blow an account with my strategy. Never blow any account. Any account, my strategy. Simple and short. I keep it simple, I keep it clean. I don't draw too much on my chart. Keep it simple, keep it clean. Now, let's say you're using a one lot size on your $100. Let me say you have a $200 account. You probably use a one lot size. You're not leveraging. What are you losing? $11 to make what? To make what? $77. Your account is almost you made half your account on one trade without blowing anything. Have
See, I have one more position running, hitting our final TP.